everybody, and welcome back to Beae tutorial series. And in this video we are going to be discussing how you can add custom CSS and JavaScript on your page, and it could be used to add some rich functionalities on your page. Also, it increases your page's versatility and make it look way more professional. So without wasting any further time, let's just get started. Right now, as you can see, we are on our home page of Beae, and from here you need to head over to settings, which could be found on the bottom left side of your screen. Click on that, and from here you need to head over to theme styles. Once you are in theme styles, you can see various options in here. At the bottom you are able to see custom code JS and CSS for all pages. You need to drop down this option, and here you'll be able to see enable jQuery checkbox if you want to do that, and after that you have your custom CSS code and custom JavaScript code in here. You can simply type in here your CSS code or copy and paste it, and similarly you can do it for the JavaScript code. So once you're done, you can click on save and you are good to go. So that was pretty much it for how to add custom CSS and JavaScript on your page. I hope you understood the concept. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with the friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.